Have you seen these videos online and wondered, how do they do this? In this video, I'll show you my exact workflow for creating cinematic AI construction videos, from raw land to full completion, using GPT, Flow, CapCut, or Premiere Pro. And the best part? You can start for free. Here's the simple three-step system. Step 1. Use GPT to generate structured cinematic prompts. Step 2. Use Flow to generate photorealistic images and animate them into construction sequences. Step 3. Edit everything in CapCut or Premiere Pro to create a smooth cinematic build. This system turns ideas into full AI construction videos. Everything starts with GPT. Copy the AI prompt, which is in the description below, into ChatGPT. After pasting, it will request to type Start to proceed. You will be given 10 options to choose from. Let's go with number 6. ChatGPT will produce 6 images and 5 videos. Let's begin creating the images first. Copy the image 1 prompt and paste it to Flow. Choose image and the screen size to your liking. You can generate up to 4 different outputs. For now, I'll be using 2. Take note, for image generation, no credit is needed, but for video generation, 20 credits are used. For first time signing up on Flow, it will give you 150 credits and will reset daily for 50 credits. You can create 2 videos daily. For my case, I created 3 different Flow accounts so I can have a total of 6 video animation every day. After the image is generated, download the image and save it on a folder. Name it whatever you want as long as you can determine which image was generated sequentially. After downloading the image, click on the designed raw land you want to make sure that the next image generated will be following the same land space. Copy the image 2 from the prompt and paste it. Follow the same step for the other image prompts until you are able to download 6 images total. Consistency is critical. Make sure every image keeps the exact same camera framing. If the angle shifts even slightly, the animation will break. After generating the 6 images, we animate them. I use framed video. I animate image 1 to image 2. Make sure to follow the correct image sequence since Flow can only output maximum of 8 seconds. If the second image is too far from the first image, it might show skips and instant structures will be created. Once both images are uploaded and AI prompt added, click on Enter and it will render a video transition based on the start point, which is first image, and will end on the second image. All video generation applications are not perfect, so you might see some flaws on the building process. After video is generated, watch and check the video if you are satisfied. You can rerun the process, but it will consume another 20 credits, so be careful. Download the video file and save it on your folder. Then image 2 to image 3, and so on. Also, you can include no dialogue, no voiceover, no background music, just relevant sound effects. This creates a realistic construction progression. Think of it as AI time-lapse. For free tier, you can only download 720p resolution, but we can fix this later during the editing phase. Do the same process until you are able to create 5 videos. Remember, we had 6 images, but we will be creating only 5 videos. Image 1 to image 2, image 2 to image 3, image 3 to image 4, image 4 to image 5, image 5 to image 6. That's a total of 5 videos. You can also make some changes on the image or video prompts. For example, you would like the weather to be sunny or rainy. Just edit the prompt before rendering. Add this changes to all prompts so that you can have a consistent output. For my case, on the last image, which is image 6, I changed it from daytime to early evening just to make the structure pop out more. Don't forget to add this option on the video prompt as well to make it seamless transition. Now, we assemble everything. I import all 5 animation clips into CapCut or Premiere Pro. Make necessary changes as you want. After done with editing all clips, apply Nest to all clips. Change the sequence to 1080 by 1920, then scale to frame size. This will cause the video to pixelate a little due to the resolution we downloaded. In the Effects tab, search for Sharpen. Add the Sharpen effect and Unsharpen. Adjust Sharpen to 10, then Unsharpen to 100. Change the scale to 108. Enough to hide the watermark. Lastly, add any music or voiceover of your choice. Now that the editing is done, we can export the video and start uploading. This is how I create cinematic AI construction videos from scratch. If you want the exact GPT prompt I use, check the description. And if you want more AI build tutorials, subscribe. Let's build the future.